Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to once again validate or check if a email address is valid or not in Python. So we have a package here which you can install using the pip command. So go to the terminal, just install this package validate underscore email. So this is actually the package here. So install this by executing this command pip install validate underscore email. So once you do this, the package will be installed. I've already installed it. So once you install this, go just create a simple Python script and just from this package validate underscore email. We have having this method here which is validate underscore email. So we require this package by this line here, and then we can simply check if the email is valid or not by using this function validate email. And here we actually write the email address. So as you can see, the syntax is correct now, text test@email.com. So now it should return if I print this. So if I execute the script right here, so just execute this python app.py. So it will return either true or false depending upon, you can see. So this is actually the package. Sorry, this is actually the name. If I show you, it's pip install py3. You just need to add py3 dash validate email. So this is actually the actual package right here. So install this, and so in this easy way you can actually validate your email address. It will either return true or false. So this is actually the package. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.